So Oracle Celebrate implementation involves several critical configurations like setup steps to ensure that recognition and award programs that could be done correctly and aligned with your organization goals. So these tasks should be performed by an administrator role. So for administrator, will be having certain tasks, right? So first you are going to do the configuring global settings. So what is configuration global settings is nothing but, so here you're going to define a overall framework, like how you're going to give the recognition and award that will function within your organization in the terms of reward points. The first one is the reward points, like to set up a point system. Like if we kept something for them means they would just for example, I'm just giving 100 points, you are just going to get means you'll get after 100 points you'll be getting some gifts or some recognition for you. I'm just keeping that bar line means you fight for it, you just work for it. So that's why you're just giving a reward points, so which decides how points will be awarded on different types of recognition. For example, like peer-to-peer, employee to employee recognition, manager driven recognitions. This can be done with the help of reward points. And next, redeem points. Redeem points is nothing but with points what you're going to do. Like for example, we're just keeping a snap streak means only with the streak we can't able to do anything, right? We just want to redeem something with the use of reward points. So I just want to get something in return for me myself also. So that's what redeem points means. So here you're going to define how employees can redeem the reward points they can accumulate. This might include an access of catalog of rewards, gifts, and other prices also with the setup of what setup you're just doing as per your requirement. And next, core values. Like I can't able to give a employee directly, right, without anything what highlight he is performing. For example, I'm seeing a person and seeing my employees working with innovation. He's just doing his innovative part correctly means I'll just give a core value of innovative to him. If he is just good in leadership or teamwork, I'll give that core value. To highlight that thing, you just giving this core values, not only for the namesake of recognition, we are just giving this core value highlight for that person. And next, this core value you will assign with the recognition program with your company core values, and which ensure they are integrated into the recognition criteria. And next will be have program images. This is a customize and upload images which related to the recognition program. This could include banners and logo. Like for example, I'm just giving a uh, recognition or award for you means you'll get a complete banner in the, like if I'm just getting that in a visual effort, I'm just getting that colorfully, I'm just getting in the background of something with a motivation quote or anything that makes me to feel great, right? So that's what for a visual, for a visual enhancement, we are just getting this program images. And next we are having this creating recognition program. So first we are going to do the setup, and then we are going to create a recognition program. So for first I'm just going to give this value, I'm going to set up these process, and next I'm going to, with this setup process, I'm going to call for what custom I just going to make from that. For example, I'm just going to create a recognition means from these reward points, redeem points, core values, I've created that thing. So from that, what I just want for my custom recognition or award, I'll just make it happen in that space. So this includes the designing the framework for the different types of recognitions. Like you can have many recognition thing. For example, manager recognition, milestone recognition, or best employee recognition. Like that, you can give your custom name. And next, generating element entries for cash award. So previously I mentioned, right, not only for the reward points we are just going to do this, we are just going to get something in return. In redeem we're going to get something. So that is what here the element entries for cash award. So in return, employee or manager, so for their reward points they can get in back of a cash. It can be a amount like they're part of thing. So this could boost the employee to work on it. So if a recognition program includes a cash rewards, the administrator needs to generate element entries for cash awards. So once it is done, so the manager is giving an award, or a manager is going to give the reward points. After that, an employee is going to redeem that means, so that process will be given to the administrator. So he just want to do this element entries to define the monetary amounts that can be awarded as the part of the recognition program. So this setup also includes the configuring eligibility, amount, and conditions associated with the receiving cash awards. Including this, we are also having some template like quick recognition template, which is nothing but you'll be preferred the template for easy recognition. Like after I'm just creating this, I'm going to repeat that for most of the things. Means I'm just going to mark it as a template. So for that I can use for a, another use. We can utilize that with the AI assist for generating personalized messages, combining the recipient name, core values, and draft content. So we can able to personalize that. So, what is the key benefits for this? First one is consistency. Like, what consistency? Like, you're just going to keep that. For example, I'm just having a company. The company in every year, I'm just going to give an award and recognition for them. So, an employee would do. So, this is what a consistency. I'm not going to do that for 1 year, and I'm not going to leave that for the next year. I'm going to do that in a process of a timeline. So, that is what a consistency. Here, we just need that to be done from by an administrator. And next, customization. Like customization is nothing but, as I said, like not only the standard format, you're going to get some standard format from Oracle also. Including that, you can able to add your custom recognition and report. And next, a streamline process. Streamline process is nothing but you're just simplifying the task of managing recognition awards and ensuring a seamless integration between a recognition, reward points, and redemption. So this is what an admin role that you're going to see. And next, ensure, like I want to ensure the administrator is having a certain role. So for that, just go into security console, and I just want to check for the role name, which is, yeah, workforce recognition and award program administrator. So this role we just want to assign to the user. So I'm just checking for the user who's already having this. So here we are having a user, Curtis Footy. So now I'm just going to log in with this account, Curtis Footy. Yeah. So here, so we are having administrator. I in like login we are having. We just want to get into my client groups, show more, and search for celebrate. You'll be having these three features. First one is configure global settings, configure programs, and generate award element entries. First, I'm going to set up the configuration global settings. So this is also a completely Redwood page. So we'll not have any responsive page or classic page here. So first, as we spoke, we having a reward points, which is like a standard points of 200 we are having here. Like every month, an employee can able to get around 200 points only. Like if it is exceeding 200 points, we just want to redeem that. So that's why we're just keeping a limit. So when they can start using also, we are just giving that. And also redeem, like how we're just going to redeem that in back. We're just going to use the currency for redemption, which is USD. And then we just want to add the payroll element. Like if we just want to make the payment, we just want to give the payroll element first. For example, I'm just giving a legislative data group of US, means only the US persons can able to do this. If it is for progress US, they can only able to use this. So I'm just, even if you just want to custom this, you just want to create a element first in element entries of payroll. So this is what I spoke of, core values. Here the core values are like collaborative, commitment to the inclusive, innovation, idea, integrity, problem solving. Like that, you can also give a custom role. Like let us give any example. What name we can give? Any suggestions from you, all guys? Teamwork, leadership. Yeah, you can also give your suggestions, so it can be an interactive session. And also you can also add an image. This is nothing but a banner. Like I've just said you in earlier, like you're just giving a banner for that award. So let us give something highlight for them. Tagline, like any taglines, you just want to give a motivation for them, you can give that. Then also just uploading some images here. Yeah. Yeah, so this is added. So these are the images, like program images I've just selected. If you just want to remove anything, you just don't want to show the managers or anyone, you can able to disable them. This is already in use, so we can't able to disable this. If I just disable this, it can be. So once I'm just done with this configure global settings, I just want going to save this. Yeah, it is saves. So once we done with the setup process, we are just moving to the program process. Again, my client groups, show more, celebrate, next, configure programs. So these are the custom award and recognitions I've created. So we'll create an again a new one. First, I'm just creating a recognition. For example, I'm just giving some names. So it's based on the requirement, you can give that. I'm just defining the start date and end date. This is particularly for duration of time for the recognition. For example, you can give in the yearly basis also. If it is for 2024, you can give on that period alone. The next, we are having the reward points. It can be fixed points or interval points. Fixed point is nothing but if I'm just giving here 100 means only 100 will be there. You can't able to edit that. Interval means you can set the limit from maximum and increment how you just want to increment, and you can keep that like you can manually you can do that. So I'm just giving a fixed points. So then I'm just going to give a program owner. I'm giving a manager for here. So who can also monitor here. So that's why I'm just giving this program and program eligibility. So why this eligibility is nothing but, for example, I just don't want another legislative person to get fit for this. Otherwise, I'm just giving this recognition only for the certain criteria persons or employees. For that, I'm just using this. For now, I'm not giving any. And next, a core values, like what are the things you just want to select, you can select it here. And images. And one more thing here, I've just mentioned about the quick recognition template. The template is nothing but you can select it here. So we can use that template. We're just doing more than one recognition means you can use that. And I'm just selecting the banner, just giving five, and yeah, we have created this. So I'm just saving this. So this program is created. We get this. And we'll also create an award. Here there is a category for an award like spot award. Every award as of now we are having only one award category. If we just want to add that, we can able to add that also. I'm giving an award name, best team player, start date and end date. So next, so here you can give your reward points uh, as an award type as reward points or cash or other. Like you can give your customized one. So here I'm just giving cash means I can able to enter the cash amount. So that's how it will lead it to the payroll directly without converting into a cash amount. It will just get that. So if you're just creating for the reward points means it will just the reward will be added to the employee. Then he just want to do that. So for now I'm just giving a cash. I just want to add the payroll entry. So I've created a payroll, which is yeah, for this registration group I've created this, and input value should be amount. I'm giving that also. Yeah, your payroll amount is created, payroll element is. And next for this also I'm just assigning a owner for this, Sadi Simon, eligibility, core values, and images same as recognition. Yeah, that's it, the award is created.
Balaji, a question here. So
Yeah,
currently you have created a program and an award. So is you attached an owner? So means this owner will be only able to give the awards to the employees. Is that the
no,
case?
no, no, it's not like that. The owner can
So
able to customize that. For in this, for example, if you
okay,
just this will be given. We are just giving a legislation here, right? So it will be given
okay,
for everyone. So who can able to? I'm just giving a owner means then this manager who just want to say made some modification here. So the manager will
Okay.
do here. So that's the reason we are just giving a owner here. It will not
Owner will be
affect
able
with
to
the
modify anything,
modify it.
any
Yes,
values over here. So if
yes,
in
yes,
future if he want to make it to cash or reward.
yes, yes.
Okay. And what is the basic difference between a program and an award?
Where you're asking recognition and award is there program and owner.
Yeah. So previously you created a program and now you're creating an award.
No, previous,
So
yeah, program is what recognition. Award
yes.
is what you are just giving an award.
Okay.
Recognition can be given by any employees, but award can be given by managers only. So that's the
Award can
difference.
be. Okay.
Yeah.
And in the starting of the configuration, there was something like that, the USD and 2 points. So is that the
Yes.
case that for every 2 points, one USD will be cashed out?
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Any
Thanks
other
for that.
questions? Yeah. 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 You just want to give this also any like how you're just giving a description, like you're just giving a default instruction to redeem an award. You just want to give any customize where you just want to reach instead of you're not getting a cash in return where I just want to reach. You can give that information here also. I'm simply giving. Yeah. So we have created a recognition and also an award, best team player. Yeah, best team player award. We have created an award and also recognition. So now we'll dive into a now the configuration setup is done.